How you doing, everybody? This is Kurt Henry at the Mortgage Center. We are mortgage brokers. We work with multiple banks and lenders just to get them to compete for you to get you the best deal when you're getting a mortgage. And this is a weekly mortgage update to let you know what's going on in the mortgage market. In terms of mortgage rates, 5-year fixed rates are in around 2.59 to 2.79%. They were around 2.24 to 2.44% last week. There is some news pointing to the reason for the increase in the rates this week is because of the election results in the U.S. The campaign that Donald Trump had gone off of is that he may certainly borrow a lot of money in order to do infrastructure development and that type of thing, and that's putting some upward pressure on the bond yields in the U.S. Stock market, and it's also putting upward pressure on the bond yields in Canada. So that's typically when there's upward pressure on the bond yields, that will increase fixed mortgage rates, and that's what's happening. Also, there is a theory out there that says if the U.S. Fed rate is increased because the economy in the U.S. is doing well, then if Canada does not follow suit, because Canada is not at a point to do that, then it could certainly affect the Canadian dollar by putting some downward pressure on the Canadian dollar, and that could result in inflation. And if that happens enough, then it would certainly put some pressure on the Bank of Canada to increase the bank rate in order to try to save the Canadian dollar and try to curb inflation. So whether that happens or not is another story, but it certainly is a theory that's out there, and it points to a possible scenario where the rates could continue to rise over the next year or so. So if you're looking at purchasing a place, it certainly is very clear that if you are looking to purchase a place, make sure to get a pre-approval so that you can reserve a interest rate or a mortgage rate. And if you have any questions on that, just give us a call. The phone number here is 905-436-8010. Thanks, and have a great day.